Here we go. Onto the straight. Power onto the straight. Yes. Oh my word. Oh, I was tempted. Oh. Yeah, that might be. Oh, there's an inside line there. Oh. Wow. I'm going to try and park it on the apex so he can't get up the inside. Oh. Oh. Right, he's got it now. Or should we stick it up the inside here? Oh. Right guys, so we have developed a new rear wishbone protector for the XRT. Can you spot it? Here it is. This is the first run for it. It's held on by 4 cable ties. We're going to see, make sure it holds. Oh, we've already got a stick under there. Make sure it holds up to some bashing and seeing what dirt it stops getting around the rear. On the X-Max, it's done a good job. And you'll see here, this is how we designed it up. We used Fusion 360 and the trusty Creality printer. Right, you ready?
Yeah.
Let's see how these dust protectors hold up.
Yeah.
Here we go. We're going to give it a nice wide berth.
Bigger wheels, you see, for the higher top speed. That's what it is.
Do you reckon? Oh, he's going up the inside. Oh, turn inside him nearly. Come on, up the inside. Oh, wheelie, wheelie.
Whoa!
I backed out of that.
That's like last time.
Oh, that was nice.
Yeah, I was battling the understeer.
Oh, he's got me back. Oh, that was a classic line, that was. Here we go. Oh, understeer city! I can't go too tight there, I'm going to get too close to you. Oh, look at him.
Oh, that was a close one. Oh, wow.
Other way around, ready?
Yep.
Oh. We've got a fast corner now at the top of the straight.
Oh.
Oh. This is a bit dangerous. I'm coming very quickly to the... Oh!
That's rubbish.
Here we go. Onto the straight. Power onto the straight. Yes! Oh my
Wow, that was a
word.
good one. Still
Lovely.
going.
I watched that. Stop to watch. Now look what's happened to the cones here. Which cones shall I go around? That one? Yes. Come on, power onto the straight. Oh, well wide. Nearly into the lake. Here he goes. Here we go. Bumps down there. Oh, well wide there.
It's a tricky surface to drive on.
Oh! Wow, that was a bit questionable manoeuvres.
Well, what you messed up. I just kind of went underneath you.
So that was the blue trucks race.
Yep.
Got the inside, but I'm going to go the inside. Yes, I am. Oh. Come on, turn in, turn in. No racing line. Just got past me. Oh, there's nearly an inside line there. I think they've got a little bit more grip. Oh, I was tempted. Oh. Yeah, that might have been pushed to pass.
But not give myself, give you the room.
I backed out of that because I was quite close to you.
A penalty lift that was. So
Oh, we're decimating the cones this time.
Oh, I can't turn it in. Come on.
Here we go. Oh, I missed that, Come on, back it comes. Got to park this on the corner.
Oh, it's close
Oh, is that the last lap?
racing. Yeah, it was. I was waiting for you to turn there. I was right there, but these are big things when they're on the racing line.
That was close. Here we go again. Ready? It's got it off the line. But there's a gap there. But I've got the cones.
Oh, that was close.
He's not hit. Oh, come on, turn it round there. Turn it round there. They're big behemoth. Oh, God, I'm hitting cones all over the place. Oh, that was nice. That was nice. Come on, tight there, tight, tight. Let's get a nice cut back here. We did. Is there an inside gap? No. I think this is the last lap.
Last lap now.
Oh, there's an inside line there. I'm taking that. Oh no, I've gone well wide. He's got it now.
Good.
Well, should we stick it up the inside here?
Oh, what? Oh, wow. That was interesting. Is yours stop now?
What?
Is yours stop? No.
No, mine's all right.
We just kicked one up in the air.
Just a few cones all over the place.
Yeah, I don't think I hit any of those.
I think it might have been mostly me. Right, you ready?
Yep.
Right. I'm going up the inside this time.
Really close.
I'm going to try and park it on the apex so he can't get up the inside.
Every
Oh!
time. You leave me a door, I'm going through it.
There was barely a gap there.
There's an XRT size gap, I'll tell you.
Yeah. He was good enough to wait for me though.
Oh.
Yeah, we both got the cone. Hey, oh. I'm in the undergrowth.
Oh, low voltage.
Oh, there he goes.
Well.
Whoa. So, rear mudguards, rear wishbone protectors, have they stayed on? Yes, they have, because we've got those 4 cable ties holding them on. They've not moved one bit. And look, it's not a particularly wet day here, and it hasn't had a particularly long run, but look, all that dirt that is stopped getting in the back of the car. Perfectly clean round there, ideal. So we will be putting them on eBay, find them on Facebook as well. If you need some, drop us a message, find it on eBay. We'll ship worldwide. Anyone asks, no, I'm not going to be selling the STL file for it, but we will sell the item. So click on that subscribe button. Back again soon.